Each marketplace has its own set of categories and listing requirements. For example, a category on Amazon might not perfectly align with a category on eBay. Or a marketplace listing might be missing details required by a marketplace, like brand or type. You'll likely have listings that need your attention before they can go live on a marketplace. As you begin cross-listing items, you'll automatically be redirected to the Stranded Listings page to fill in any missing details. You may also see cross-listed SKUs with an error or incomplete message on the Manage Listings page. You can find the Stranded Listings page by going to Listings and selecting Stranded Listings from the menu. In this example, product categories need to be assigned to 82 products, and there are stranded marketplace listings on eBay and Walmart. Click Stranded to view the listings for each marketplace. Looking at the Stranded Listings page for Walmart, 3 listings need to be assigned to categories, and 1 listing is missing a required detail. Starting with product categories, select the listing, browse for the appropriate category, and click Assign Category. Moving on to the listing that requires additional information. We can see that Walmart requires the item's UPC to be included in the details. Simply enter the missing information and click Update.